Daddy, please give me some money to buy crackers. No, son. I don't have any money. Come in. I will buy some crackers for you.
Hey, why are you here?
Uncle, I want to do this job.
This is not a age to do the work. Shall I give you money?
No, I want to earn from myself.
Okay, then you have it. Come, let's go. Tea, coffee. 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 Tea, coffee.
Hey, I have got enough money.
What do you want?
Crackers.
Give me the money.
Is it my house? I can't live in my house. Without money, how can you get the money? Are you sick, you feel?
No, Daddy, please, no, Daddy.
Why are you beating him? He has stolen the money. Who said? He earned the money himself. You be proud of him. Sorry, my son.